Hi, this is Masood Hashmi. I'm going to show you today how to put this Air Wick into this holder which goes in the plug system. So this is a holder which in this side you plug it into the electric system, and this is the wick, and you unscrew this on top like this. So it comes out like this, and this is the solution in it and oil in it, and this is the container where it's going to get fixed. So what you do is, this is the container, so you hold this and you put this in. Make sure you don't tilt it, because if you tilt it, the oil will come out. So you put it like this and you will hear a click. So once you hear a click, you're all ready to go. So when you plug it into the socket, make sure there is nothing above the socket so it doesn't catch any fire. And also, if you look at this end, it has various levels. So this is the, if you want too much fragrance, you put it on this. If you want less fragrance, you put it on this. It's a dial. So you dial it like this. See, this is for the too much, and this is for the smaller one. So this is a dial. So I'll just start with the bigger one here, and then I'm going to plug it, and it's automatically, it gives fragrance to your own house. So when this finishes, this oil finishes, you can get a refill and put it on. So I just want to show you how will I plug it in the wall. Now, I brought this down now. See, I was showing you before this dial, so you can see whatever fragrance size you want. So I put it to the maximum first. So, and this is the socket. Now, as I was telling you before, that you don't want anything above this socket, so that whatever heat comes out of this, it doesn't burn anything. And you do not want to tilt this oil, so you want to keep it straight. So this is the socket, so I'll just push it all the way. And then it warms up, and then it will send the oil fumes will come out. This refill lasts about between 1 to 2 months. And then when it goes down, you bring it out, take this bottle, push it out, and then put a new refill on it and attach it. So you want to make sure the children don't touch this, and you don't put your finger through this, so you don't get burn or electric shock. So this is not really a toy. This is an electric device. So you want to put something which is safe for your home. Thank you very much for watching this.